November 1st, can't believe it, and -8, but it feels kind of like -15. So we're on our first pickup here and just gonna see what Ron's getting here, and we'll be back.
Back.
Okay, we're going down another back lane before we get to our next destination.
And nothing.
Nothing. Turn right. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we have a wheelbarrow with a bunch of stuff in it. Oh, what do we all have in there? Oh, look at all that stuff. Very interesting. Look at these things. Oh, okay. Very cool. And this is what we picked up so far here. We've got a filing cabinet, a sink, some roasters, and you just have one wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Oh, not the two.
The other one is straighten this out.
I think that's a good idea. Because you have dishwashers. There you go. Would you like me to get my gloves and help you lift that in there? Oh yes, that, yes.
Huh. Okay, watch it. Okay.
That's it for the dishwasher. Oh, that's really nice. Eh? Oh, wow, very nice curtain rod. Okay, so our next stop, and we're picking up this little filing cabinet over there. That was kind of cute.
It's not supposed to be cute.
Well, if I'm with you, it's cute. It's cute. Okay. Okay, this is our last stop. We have an aluminum door and a couple down pipes, and that's it for today. Oh, almost, yep. Yeah. Okay, hang on, hang on. You need some help? Stuck, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No. If it fits on here, I'll take it.
It's pretty big, but well, yeah, it would fit on here, just not today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll give you my card. Or are you John? No.
He came from a different house. Oh, be careful, Ron. Be careful. I don't know. It's caught on something. There you go.
Perfect. Hi, you're John, right?
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, here. Do you have a card also, John?
Yeah, I got your card.
Okay, here you go. Yeah, I come back in 2 weeks. Perfect.
Nope. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
So this is our load for today, for this week, for the next 2 weeks. And we'll be back out in 2 weeks.
Okay,
Okay, and all this on this side is all good, eh?
I guess.
Okay. Okay, I don't know, that wheelbarrow on top, I don't know. I guess if you think it's okay. Okay. So cute. So cute. Interrupt.